Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay on Amazon. So first of all, just open up the Amazon application, tap the account icon at the bottom of the screen and now tap on your payments. In the wallet tab, tap plus add. It's small text to the right of the cards and accounts. Select add a credit or debit card and you have to enter your card information. If you don't know your Apple card number, open wallet. Tap the credit card icon in the upper right and copy the number. Then return to the Amazon app and paste it. Once you've added the info, you can check the box next to set as default payment method. If you want to automatically use your Apple card every time, tap on this save. You will see a message that the payment method was successfully added. Next time you are checking out while ordering for Amazon, if you set your Apple card as the default payment method, it will automatically bill that card. If you didn't set your card as default, tap payment information, select your Apple card and then tap continue. Complete the checkout process as normal and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.